What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ben the Webman here, back with another video to talk to you about a historical event. That's right, folks, the blizzard of 1972. That's right. I don't know if you remember this deadliest blizzard in U.S. history, folks. It actually caused about 400,000 people lost their lives because of this deadliest blizzard in U.S. history. It created about 10 feet of snow in Iran, folks. 10 feet of snow? That's bigger than me, folks. That's right, it created 10 feet of snow, and it caused massive snowdrifts, folks. This is Ben the Webman. Back to you. Coming live here in beautiful Lodi, New Jersey, and have a nice day.